Ready to say hi? What do you know? Look, right here. Say hi, guys. Someone wanted to say hi to you guys. This is Bruno. He is 1 year old, right? He's a little baby of the house. I love him so much. Say bye. See you later. Hi, guys. So this is a different video. I thought I could record myself doing my hair as I curl my hair. That way you guys can see how and what products I use. You see I have a lot of curls. About 13 years ago, back while I was at BMCC, I met a classmate of mine who had gotten a Japanese treatment. Her hair looked so beautiful and long, nice and silk. And I'm like, hey, where did you go? I wanted to go, I want to try it. And I did. And it was the worst mistake I've ever made. But, you know, I really wanted it at the moment. I was so excited for it. But I got rid of all my curls. I mean, all of them. It was just not healthy. So I had to do the big chop most of my hair off, and just been growing my hair little by little. From there on, I've been using the flat iron, which has destroyed my hair. My hair has, like, you know, been breaking and just not healthy. Right now it looks so much better because I've been taking care of it. I've been using masks, hair oils. This year, 2018, is definitely my year where I've ventured and expanded my horizons and just not been afraid. I decided to dye my hair. Right now you can barely tell because of the summer, the beach, and pool, the Clorox and everything. But I dye my hair. It's like a honey, and I love it. I love it. Right now I don't have anything, just washed it. So as you can see, maybe right here it's like a little curly and then it gets straight and then a curly again. So we're working on it. It's a work in progress. Okay, so let's get started. Today I'll be using Deva Curl products. Not that they're my favorite, because I've used other ones. Like I've used this Bounce Curl gel, and it works pretty well. I like it. I've also used this Blueberry Bliss Curl Control gel by Curls. It's pretty good too. I like it. So I say it's not my favorite because I find that it hasn't given me like the best results. So I just keep trying to see, you know, what happens when I've used this one. So this is the first Deva Curl product that I bought. It's Deva Curl Super Cream Coconut Curl Styler. I bought this one first, and about 2 days ago I noticed that they had a light defining gel. Define and Control Soft Hold No Crunch Styler. So I thought, let me try it and see how it goes. So these are 2 products I'm going to use to curl my hair today. I will also be using it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In. It's bomb. It smells delicious, guys. It smells so good. You should definitely check it out. And this works wonders. It's a 10, and it's because it does 10 things instantly. At least that's what it claims. Repairs dry, damaged hair. My hair is not so dry, but it's damaged because of the flat iron. Adds shine, detangles, controls frizz, seals, and protects hair color. Prevents split ends, stops hair breakage, which is what I need. Creates silkiness, enhances natural body. Flat iron spray and thermal protector. So this is really good. So in this small little bottle, you can get 10 things for your hair to work, you know, for your hair. And again, I can't emphasize. I'm also going to use this ℏ𝕙𝕒𝕟𝕟𝕟𝕟𝕟 Extreme Anti-Snap, which is also for breakage. It's really good. I use it at the from the mid length of my hair to the end to help me with my ends and any breakage. And of course, we'll be using an oil for our hair, keep it nicely moisturized. I'll be using Renewing Organ Oil of Morocco. Alrighty, so I think we should definitely get started. Actually, I'm gonna wet my hair again, and then I'm gonna pull my products in. Back, guys. So I went to wet my hair a little more. I felt like it was getting a little too dry already. Okay, I'm gonna comb it a little bit. Like, my natural hair is curly. I have natural curls. I just had to help it grow back after I kill my curls off, basically. And to get the best results in curling your hair is applying the products while your hair is still drenched in water. I want to start with the ℏ𝕙𝕒𝕟𝕟𝕟𝕟 Extreme Anti-Snap for the breakage. Just started, really. It was kind of stuck for a while. Now it's growing back. I'm so happy. Just a little story, guys. I've always been so afraid of doing anything to my hair or my body, really. I don't have any tattoos, any other piercings other than my ears, of course. I've always been like, no, what if I don't like it? What if I only want it temporarily? So this year, in February, I'm like, I need a change. I want to change, and I'm gonna get myself a change. And that's what I did. And I love it, guys. If you're thinking about changing your hair, trying something new, try it. At least you know you tried. And that way, you know, if that color doesn't work for you, or that hairstyle doesn't work for you, or that haircut, I said that already, doesn't work for you, at least you know it doesn't work. But it sucks to think for years and years of how you want to change and not work on it, you know. You should do it for yourself. I definitely encourage you. So we're going to go next with it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. My favorite. It smells so good. Here we go. You can spray this, actually. So we'll do that. I've learned about this product that the best way is to not put it in your scalp. Just from the mid way down. Just run your fingers through. Here, we're going to do the same. I know, sometimes I get carried away. It smells so good. I even use that product right before I'm going to wash my hair. Guys, I forgot to mention my hairstylist. She is the bomb. I mean, I just told you I've been so afraid of doing anything to my hair, and I trusted her. She does my sister-in-law's hair. She's amazing. She knows exactly what she's doing. If you live in New York or in the Bronx or visiting or whatever, you should check it out. You see, it gets so curly here on the top and the bottom. It gets straight. So, still working on that. Alright, so we're going to go in with the cream first. The Coconut Curl Cream from Deva Curl. And we're going to end it with I'm going to finish it with the Light Defining Gel, you know, so you can seal the curls. again, guys, sorry I have to keep looking down. My hair sort of gets stuck between my fingers, which is the reason why I'm using the anti-snap, even to avoid all this. And I must admit, it seems like it's a little less now, so that's good. Really moist. I'm gonna let it air dry, and I'm gonna check back in with you guys once it's all dry. Okay guys, sorry about all this mess. I didn't realize the products will cost us. So I'll check back with you guys in a little bit. It's me again with my dry curls. It's already fully dried. I must admit, it's a little crunchy, like, you know, it's a little bit hard. Not too hard, and it doesn't bother me at all. It's summertime and I sweat a lot. Like, I sweat a lot. But that's okay. Like, I don't mind. I don't mind having it a little hard so it can stay. For me, I feel like if I feel it a little hard, it helps it stay intact, being that I sweat so much. At least that's how it feels like to me. I just love how defined it looks, you know, starting to look, because it wasn't doing that for some time. So I am loving that. Yeah, this is what it is. I like it. I can't say I love it, right? Because ideally, I would want it to be soft and much more defined, you know. But I still like it. I like having the option of wearing my hair different ways, you know. I'm blessed to be able to say that. I can wear it curly and actually get some curls. You know, I experience what it's like not to be able to have any curls, even if you wanted to, even if you tried really hard. So I definitely love it. Love that it's finally growing back, you know. Well guys, this is the final look. I know it may look a little crazy, but it's okay, right? That's what curls are for. They're a little more wild. Okay guys, this is it. This is what it looks like. This is the finished look of my dry curls. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to try a little something different. I wanted to do this hairstyle for my next video, so I thought might as well just record myself as I'm doing my hair. Remember, this is my journey on getting my curls back. So it's not, you know, 100% defined. It's getting there. I want to encourage you guys to leave any comments, sharing your thoughts, opinions, or any products that you guys love that works for you, that you've heard, or you know that doesn't really work for curly hair, or it's damaging to the hair. Any comments, any suggestions would be greatly appreciated. Comment, subscribe, and I hope I see you next time. Bye-bye.